Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix there has been an error during install apps from Microsoft Store in Windows 11, 10. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Microsoft Store install service, change startup service to automatic, click start, click apply, click OK. Second method is type store in Windows search bar, right click, click app settings. Repair and reset. Third method is type WSreset, click WSreset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.